Welcome again to our channel Physics Galaxy. So this problem in asked TIFR 2022 physics paper. So this is one another memory based problem. So problem is a quantum mechanical system has Hamiltonian given as Hamiltonian is this px square by 2m plus py square by 2m plus pz square by 2m plus half of m omega square x square plus half m omega square y square plus 2m omega square z square. If two spin half particles are placed in this system and the total energy of the system is 6 h cut, so then the entropy of the system is dash. So that means the kb ln 10, kb ln 12, kb ln 14 and kb ln 16. So the particle is electron. So we are not confirmed. So this is the spin half particles. So this is electron case. So it study this type of problem. So at first we know the energy of the system. So the Hamiltonian is given. So Hamiltonian is px square by 2m plus py square by 2m half m omega square x square plus half m omega square y square plus 2m omega square z square. So here the energy of the system, so E, nx, ny and nz. So this is the nx plus half of h cut plus ny plus half of h cut omega, and along z direction, so this is we can written as half of m 2 omega square z square. So we can retain that 2m omega square z square equal to half of m 2m 2 omega square of z square. So here the frequency along the z direction, that is the 2 omega. So now the nz plus half of h cut omega is 2 omega. Okay, but other two direction the omega is simply omega. So that is equal to nx plus ny plus 2 nz plus 2 h cut omega of the system. So total energy of the system is nx plus ny plus 2 nz plus 2 of h cut omega. So here the specific energy is total system is given 6 h cut omega. So 6 h cut omega. So now we choose the particle spin half particles, two spin half particle in a specific state. So at first we draw the energy level. So that is this is the ground state. So that is 0 0 0. So energy is 2 h cut omega, and this is the ground state. And nx ny nz is 1 0 0 or 0 1 0. So that is the fast excited state. Okay, so this is the energy is 3 h cut omega. So this is 1 0 0 and another is 0 1 0. So here the degeneracy is 1, that means non-degenerate state, and this is the degeneracy is 2. And another level, so that is second excited state. So energy is 4 h cut omega. The states are 2 0 0 and another is 2 0 2 So the another state is 1 1 0 and 0 0 1. So here the second excited state energy is 4 h cut omega. So there are the 4 degenerate state. So that is the fourth degenerate state. So here degeneracy is fourth. And another energy level is 5 h cut omega. So we are not required for specific energy is the 6 h cut omega. Okay, so now at first we draw the energy levels. So this is ground state energy 2 h cut omega, this is fast excited 3 h cut omega, and this is 4 h cut omega. We just consider the identical particles. So at first, so that is the total energy is 6 h cut omega. So at first we put the one particle is 2 h cut energy level and another is 4 h cut energy level, but here the degeneracy is 4 for the 4 h cut omega energy level. So that is the total 4 degeneracy. So the total one particle is present in 2 h cut omega state and another is 4 h cut omega. So that is the total 4 microstate. Okay, or fourth possibility, that is the energy is 6. Okay, and another possibility is the 2 particle in present only 3 h cut state. So that is the 2 possibility, because here the degeneracy is 2 and this is the degeneracy is 4 and this is the degeneracy is 1. So the total possibility is 4 plus 2, that is 6. But here the spin half electron case, and here also 2 spin half particles. So that means the total microstates equal to 6 into 2 multiply, because where the electron and also 2 spin half particles, so that is 2 is multiply. So the total microstate equal to 12, and we know that the entropy is equal to kV ln microstates. So that is the microstate. We define the omega, so that means entropy of the system kV ln 12. So this is the correct option, kV ln 12. Okay.